here with Foods 101. Today I'm showing you how to make this Ambrosia Salad, a fabulous fruit salad for the spring and summer months ahead. The ingredients you're going to need is 1/2 cup of shredded sweetened coconut, 1/4 of a cup of Maraschino cherries, 1 cup of green grapes, 1 cup of purple grapes, 1 cup of miniature marshmallows, 1/2 cup of chopped pecans if you want to substitute this for walnuts or another nut, or if you'd like to leave it out altogether, you may. 1 6-ounce container of yogurt. I'm using a French vanilla yogurt, but you use whichever yogurt you like. 1 8-ounce can of pineapple wedges. If you want to use cubed or tidbits, you may. And 1 8-ounce can of fruit cocktail. Let me show you how simple and easy this is to get together. First, we're going to drain our canned fruit into a sieve, and we're going to let all that juice drain right down here to the bottom while we put together the rest of our salad and set this off to the side. In a larger bowl, we're going to add those grapes, the purple and the green, and don't those look beautiful? I love the colors. And the cherries, along with the shredded coconut, the marshmallows, and the pecans. Then you're going to add that drained fruit. Does that look beautiful? Add your yogurt. And if you'd like to substitute your yogurt with whipping cream or whipped cream or sour cream, you be my guest. You can make this salad however you wish. If you would like to substitute the grapes with apples or pears or peaches, the great thing about this, and I've got a spatula here, I'll use this. The great thing about this is you can add whatever fruit you like. I have even added bananas to this Ambrosia salad before, and it's absolutely fantastic. I think that looks absolutely beautiful, and look at those colors, and you know it's going to be absolutely delicious for the spring and summer seasons, or any time of the year. I'm going to add just a little bit more coconut to mine because I am a coconut fan, and I think that looks absolutely fantastic. Now, if you let this sit in the refrigerator overnight, all these flavors are going to come together and it's going to be beautiful, but you can also serve it right away. Now to add this Ambrosia fruit salad into a serving dish. This is how I serve it. And you want to bring some color here to the top, your pineapples, your grapes, your cherries. When it's looking like this, I like to top it with a little fresh sweetened shredded coconut and some pecans. And then you wrap this, put it in your refrigerator overnight, and it's ready to serve the next day. And everyone absolutely loves this Ambrosia salad. Gonna give it a little try informally. I gotta have a little grape on there. Let's see what it tastes like. Tastes like, it first reminded me of a pina colada. I got a big bite of that delicious pineapple and those grapes and coconut. This is one of my favorite spring and summer fruit salads. Give me thumbs up, leave me a comment, hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Thanks a million for watching, and I'll catch you lovely people later.